Set, ready for racing. Racing just is started. Whispering Hope. Break quickly at the start. Luneta Park. 1 in a Billion comes next. Then followed by Wanderlust. Then followed by Prima Donna. Getting the wide strip as they make the first turn is Palanyag. While Miko na nga is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the back stretch. We have Whispering Hope. Marling anyhow. Luneta Park in second. 1 in a Billion is racing in third. And in fourth comes Wanderlust. Then next online is Prima Donna. Palanyag, while Miko na nga is still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Whispering Hope. Enjoying a half-length lead, Luneta Park. Now moving upon the outside, Wanderlust, 1 in a Billion. Miko na nga, Prima Donna, while Palanyag now racing in last 400 meters of the race. Luneta Park, Wanderlust now moving up on the outside and now says it's my turn to take the lead with Wanderlust. Luneta Park, 1 in a Billion is racing in third. Whispering Hope, Miko na nga with about 150 meters more to run with Wanderlust by about 3 lengths par by Luneta Park. And finally it's Wanderlust second, Luneta Park, 1 in a Billion, Miko na nga.
Okay, bayang karirista, para po dito sa inyong race number 5, your favorite entry number 3, that's Wanderlust. Yan po ang unang tumawid sa ating meta, your unofficial winner. So, 3-1-2-4 po ang ating unofficial placing. Masa segundo, numero 1, Luneta Park, numero 2, 1 in a Billion, at numero 4, Miko na nga. Ating muna pong balikan ng replay. Ito tong kakatapos sa ating karera.